Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the stage of this project using Blender. So select everything and press X to delete all. And import the image as a plane for reference. To do that, make sure you activate image as a plane add-on in preferences before. To work faster and save a lot of time, I'm going to import my bottle model using Bottle Maker add-on. And I'm going to align my reference image with the model I've imported. Okay, after that, select your model and go to the panel of the Bottle Maker add-on. After applying the model, I'm gonna fix the correct shape in edit mode. You can activate the Look to add-on in preferences if it's not already enabled. Here, I'm using the circle option to get this perfect circle shape. And then you can add another bevel to the model. The next step is to create the bottle top simply by duplicating the top surface. To fix in more details, I'm going to import other references. I'm going to remove some of the edges to get perfect detail. the label, proceed in the same way as for the cap. Just duplicate the face. Okay, it's time to add material to the model. To use this shortcut, make sure you activate Node Wrangler add-on in Preferences. Here is the final result. If you want to get this project file, check the link in the description. It's free for everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.